Hey guys, welcome to our channel Fun Plus Code. Today I've come up with a fresh topic. Before getting into the topic, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you really like the video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to click the notification bell. Then only you will get instant notifications of our future videos. Without making further delay, let's get into the topic. In today's world, there are a lot of programming languages are available, but we people always wonder what programming languages we have to learn. But at the end of this video, you definitely get a clear idea about which programming language you have to learn and how much money you can make by learning these programming languages. So don't skip this video guys, watch it fully, then only you will get a crystal clear idea about it, okay? Let's begin guys. Today we are going to see a top 5 programming languages in 2021. So C or C++ are in the 5th position. First, we're going to see what is meant by these languages, okay? C is probably the oldest commonly used programming language, and C is the root of other programming languages such as C#, Java and JavaScript. So C++ is an enhanced version of C. You know, it supports OOPs and it has rich libraries and so on. Okay, today many developers keeps learning C. On the other hand, some people is thinking C first provides a valuable foundation for C++ as well as to learn other programming languages. Am I right, guys? Yes, C++ is considered as a highly efficient and flexible programming language, okay? It has a demand in market because of its high performance and reliability. Both languages are considered as a high performance language and it is used in the computer science and programming. Okay, you should know the uses of C and C++, right? So, it is used in gaming development, web and mobile solutions, desktop applications, and more specifically, it is used in embedded systems, guys. And C++ is also a powerful, efficient, and fast language. And it finds a range of applications from GUI applications to 3D graphics for games to real-time mathematical simulations. Okay, so you people should know about the advantages of using C and C++, right? So C and C++ are the most widely used language, guys, and C is used to learn the fundamentals of programming at the lowest level. I mean, for the hardware. As I said before, it is used for embedded systems. Okay. C can be used for low-level programming such as scripting for drivers and kernels and so on. C is also used for high-level programming languages such as scripting for software applications. And finally, companies which are using C++ as a programming language are Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft, and Google. So, you should know the salary package for C and C++, right? So, the salary package for C and C++ is $71,677 per annum. Okay, according to a survey. And I can give this rating for 5 as a 4. So it is easy to moderate. So next, C# is in the 4th position, guys. So C# is an object-oriented programming language and it is easy to learn. It is fastest, secure, and it is also providing lots of rich libraries. So it is the best choice after C++, I can say. So the first version was released in the year of 2001. And the syntax for C# is almost similar to C. Okay. It is combined with .NET because it has a high easy integration with Windows OS like that. And talking about uses of C#, so C# language is used in VR games, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Finally, it is used in game development also. Okay guys. Next, we're going to see advantages of using C#. And it provides fast compilation, because in Unity, the Unity is a game development software. So Unity is built on top of C#. So you can possibly develop all kinds of games using this, okay? So it is combined with the .NET library, as I said before. And this is an object-oriented programming language as well as a component-oriented programming language. That is why it is used for designing games, okay? Pointer types are not acceptable here. So C# is much better than C++, I can say. And it has a quick execution time. And it is a perfect for all kinds of Windows development. Okay. And finally, companies which are using C# as a programming language are Cyber Infrastructure Inc., Extreme Solutions, and Zealous Systems. right? The starting pay scale for C# programmer is $77,987 per annum. And I can give this rating as 4/5, and it is easy to moderate for learning. Okay. And third position is JavaScript. Okay. JavaScript is one of the most popular language for front-end web development as well as back-end web development. Yes, we can create a website completely from front-end to back-end using this JavaScript alone. Interesting, isn't it? That is why it is in third position. Okay. By using JavaScript, the developer can develop high interactive website, as I said before, from front-end to back-end completely. Okay. And coming to uses of JavaScript, it is used for desktop development, web and mobile development, as well as game development. Okay. And advantages of using this C# is it provides a very responsive interface to a website, as I said before, and it is a highly multi-purpose language and it runs code instantly inside the web browser. That is why creating a web page is very easy while using JavaScript. Okay. We have a huge amount of resources for development of interactive web pages, and it has a huge community support. Okay. And coming to companies which are using JavaScript as a programming language are Microsoft, PayPal, Google, Groupon. Okay. And coming to a salary package for JavaScript is $84,630 per annum. Wow. And I can give this as a rating for 4.5/5 because it is easy to learn. Anyone can learn. Okay. So we have came to second position. Let's see what is in the second position. Yes, Java. So Java is in second position. Okay. We all know about Java, but I'll tell you a short description about Java. Java is an open source, robust, platform independent. This is the important point, guys. And a secure language, okay, which was created by James Gosling in the year of 1991. So Java is a programming language and computing platform which was first released by Sun Microsystems in the year of 1995. And Java programs are interpreted by JVM. We all know about JVM, but I will tell you what is meant by JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine which we can run on multiple platforms. I'll tell you what it means. Write once and run anywhere. That is WORA. We can run on different platforms or OS like Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, like that. Okay. Java can be used to create a complete application that may run on a single computer or be distributed among servers and clients in a networks. Okay. Java is a fast, secure and as well as reliable. We have come to uses of Java. Java is very much useful for Android mobile application development and big data technologies, business applications, enterprise applications, web-based applications, as well as banking and financial services. I'll tell you what are the advantages of using this Java. Okay. Java has a huge amount of open source libraries and it has a automatic memory allocation. Interesting, isn't it? We can easily make database connections by using Java. Okay. So coming to companies which are using Java as a programming language are IBM, HCL and Infosys. The pay scale for Java developers is $84,280 per annum. Coming to rating, I can give 4.5/5. So it is easy to moderate. Okay. Finally, we have come for first position. Guys, guess what is the language present in first position? Yes. Python. Python is the language which present in the first position. So we can see what is meant by Python. Guys, if you want to know about this Python fully, in a couple of videos ago, I made a video about this Python. So if you want to check out the video, I will give a link in my description as well as in I button. You can check out from there. Okay. So now see what is meant by Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted, open-source and object-oriented programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. So Python is the fastest growing one and one of the top programming language among all the competitive programming languages. So it is the most demand language in the market. That is why it is called the programming language specifically for beginners. Since it is an open source and high level language, so which is easy to learn and understand. That is why it allows you to focus on core functionality of applications, and it will take care of common programming tasks, okay? Python syntax is easy, simple, and clean to understand for beginners. That is why it is a programming language for beginners, as I said before, right? We can make solutions easily for large problems also, since it provides easy readable code, right? So anyone can understand the code easily without having the basic knowledge about the coding, right? So you should know about the uses of Python, right? So Python is used for machine learning and AI. So it is the fastest growing technology, as we know, and data science and data visualization, web development. We can make desktop GUI development as well as game development, guys. So advantages of using Python, I can say, because it has easy syntax, so you easy to use and learn as you are a beginner also. Okay, it is an open source programming language, so anyone can learn, and we can develop complex applications also by using Python in a simple way, right? Cool, isn't it? And built-in prototypes are available in Python. So by using this, you can develop any kind of complex applications, right? Wide-ranging library support are available here because it provides free packages and libraries. We can download it and we can use it in our projects anywhere. Okay. Finally, companies which are using Python as a programming language are Instagram, Facebook, Google, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Reddit, and Dropbox. So these are the companies which are using Python. You should know about the salary, right? That is why we are learning all the programming languages. So $1,20,365 per annum if you know Python programming language. Okay. So coming to rating, I can give 5 out of 5. Guys, I personally prefer, if you are a beginner, you can learn Python, okay? As I said before, it has an easy syntax. If you are a beginner also, you can learn easily. If you want to learn Python, please check out my channel because I am making a playlist for learning Python. Okay, so that's all about today's video, guys. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section and tell me some other topic. I'll make a video for that also. We will meet in our next video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.